Good morning once again, viewers. We're here to test and prove the strength of our Mega Strength Adhesive. And as we said in our last video, we need to weigh Vince first to prove our first test. So, Vince, come along.
Thanks, Charlie. Well, you're right, we are going to test my weight to see how heavy I am and test the strength of our polyurethane Mega Strength Adhesive. We have a set of scales here, standard scales. They're actually glass, so who knows whether they'll take my weight. But let's put it to the test and pop these on the floor and step onto them.
I don't think that's a good choice.
Neither do I, if I'm honest, but we've got to give it a go.
On the other foot, go on.
What can I say? It's gone to 5 lines. Error code. I think that means I'm 12 stone or under.
They broke. So what we've got here is we have stuck a pallet to the wall, only using Mega Strength Adhesive, no screws, and we're holding it up. You can't see, but we're holding it up there with the forklift right now as that adhesive goes off. We're going to leave it for 10 minutes, and in that time, Vince is going to get us a small snack.
Okay, so I've got some bit of brekkie for us.
Cool, well, I'll just put this on. I've got Mega Strength in my hands now.
Have you? Oh, yeah. I got a pan of chocolate or a chocolate raisin, which you prefer.
Ooh, pan of chocolate.
Great stuff.
There's a bacon in there.
Very nice.
Try and go.
You have you? You have something to show. You that's actually a little bit annoying. I can't move the freaking thing. It's like I can't get this thing off. Okay, so here we are then. This is the real test, the hang test. I'm going to try and hang off this pallet. If it comes off the wall, we know the glue isn't very good. But we know this product, this glue, will hold this absolutely firm with at least 12 stone of me hanging off of it. So let's go. Let's give this a go. I can't do it for very long, but it could come off. Try again. Stupid stuff. To be honest, I don't know what else to do. I'm so puffed out. This is so well stuck onto here. Whew. Puffed out just looking at it. Certainly firm. Certainly strong.